How to make all apps. Dark mode in iOS 18. If you've just upgraded to iOS 18, you can now enable dark mode for all your apps, and even set it to automatically switch between light and dark modes based on the time of day. To begin, head into your settings, scroll down, and tap on General. From there, select Software Update to ensure you're running iOS 18 or later. Once you're up to date, it's time to enable dark mode. Simply tap and hold anywhere on your home screen, and in the top left corner, you'll see an Edit button. Tap that, and then select Customize. Now, tap on Dark Mode, and just like that, your apps will switch from light mode to dark mode. The colors and backgrounds will change to fit that darker, sleeker aesthetic. If you'd rather have this switch happen automatically, just turn on the automatic setting. This way, your iPhone will transition between light and dark modes depending on whether it's day or night. For even more customization, you can adjust the background by tapping the sun icon at the top left. You can choose to have both the background and the apps in dark mode, or mix and match by keeping the background light while the apps are dark. You have full control over how everything looks. Additionally, iOS 18 allows you to customize the tint of your apps in dark mode. Whether you want them to be transparent, closer to white, or fully saturated with color, you can adjust all of these settings under the Tint option. And that's it. Now you know how to customize dark mode for your apps in iOS 18. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and leave any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for watching.